Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie. For today's video, we are going to make flour tortilla. We need 500 grams sifted all-purpose flour, half a cup butter, 1 cup warm water, half a teaspoon fine salt, or less because I'm using salted butter, digital weighing scale, dough scraper, flatbread press kitchen tool, katsa or kitchen towel, wax paper, and a plate. Combine flour and salt. Mix it well. Add your butter, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Scrape the remaining butter on your dough scraper. Mix it well until well combined, just like the texture of pulveron. Add warm water, small amount at a time. Knead the dough mixture until it is not sticking on your hand and your countertop. Use the lower part of your palm to knead the dough. Form it into a ball, then put it on a grease mixing bowl. Lightly grease your dough using butter. Then cover with gatcha. Rest your dough for 10 minutes. Weigh your dough and divide it according to how many finished products you want. For me, I usually weigh 60 grams per flatbread, but the actual flatbread weighs 80 to 90 depending on the preferred tortilla size. Form them into balls for easier when putting them in your flatbread press kitchen tool. Put small amount of butter on top of the dough, then cover and rest it again for 15 minutes. Press the dough balls and flatten them using a flatbread press kitchen tool. Cook them in a pan on a very high heat. There you have it. Enjoy your flour tortilla. If you want me to be a culinary trainer, please see the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.